Hi, I'm Sandy from Bublee Art Dolls. The last class we made these eyes and we glued them on the face of our doll. In this class I'm going to show you how to style the eyes, means how to make the eyelashes and other details. So thread a needle with embroidery floss in the color you want. In this case I wanted black. Introduce it from the back of the head and take it out in the inner extreme of the eye here. A tapestry needle is useful for this. Pull the thread until it goes inside of the head and then apply some glue in the top line of the eye carefully. I am using fabric glue, transparent one, and now I am just going to glue the thread on the top line of the eye like this. And then introduce your needle. In this case now I'm using a curved needle in the side extreme of the eye and then take it out in the inner extreme of the eye like this. Pull it well and now insert it here like up of this corner. Leave a space there and take it out in this place in the top line of the eye, as you can see here. This will form the bottom line of lashes. So again, put a line of glue there in the bottom line and carefully pull the thread and put it on place with tweezers or some other tool that you find useful for this to glue it on place. You have to get a line like this, like a cat eyeliner. Now we are going to give a stitch here and take it out on the back of the head, like just on the extreme of the eyeliner. And we are going to apply glue again. Pull the thread and glue the thread on the top line. This is like to make the eyelashes thicker, and follow when you are gluing this line of thread, bring it down in this part to fill this space. So we can form like the eyeliner cut here. We are going to then make another line of glue here to make the eyelid, and I'm going to put here to glue a piece of the same yarn I used to make my doll to give the effect of the eyelid, the upper eyelid. Cut the extremes. And be sure everything is very well glued in place. Another line, this time a very fine line of glue here, and then we are going to glue more embroidery thread, but this time thinner. You know, the embroidery floss is formed by several threads, so here I just used 2 of the threads of my embroidery floss. On the eyelashes I used all, it's like 6 threads. So I do this in the both eyes, and this is how they look. Now let's make the eyebrows. As you can see, I draw the eyebrows already to have a shape to follow, and also to be sure I am going to make the same shape for both eyebrows. And first we are going to make the longer part of the eyebrow, this part here. I'm going to make like a triangle there, so put your needle in this point and take it out here. Like this, to form a triangle here. Now the small line, vertical line here in this extreme of the eyebrow, and then take it out from here, from this corner of the triangle, because we are going to start filling the triangle of the eyebrow. These stitches you can give them like superficially, no need to go all through all layers of the head. Well, all layers is like only the crochet layer and the filling, but these give them superficial, so it will be easier, and also it will give a better look to the eyebrows. Once you fill all that triangle, let's make this part. This is like just like a smaller triangle, so I'm basically following the shape I draw. You can, for the eyebrows, I don't use glue, but if you want to use it, you can apply some lines of glue before to pull the thread and put it on place on the eyebrow, as we did with the eyelashes. Pull it well, forming the eyebrow, giving shape to the eyebrow, and then in this case I'm just going to close it here. Again, a superficial stitch. Like this, and my eyebrow is done. I'm going to put the needle inside here to fill the last space I had, and take it out on the back, from the back of the head, like this, and repeat the same with the other eyebrow. And it's ready. You can see the difference of the eyebrows I did for the boy and the girl. See the next videos on your list to see how to make the nose and the mouth.